Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a tiny haul from a Tuesday morning. So this is the chenille wood veneer, and it's a 10-piece for $1.99. 219-703-35, and there are different sizes. You got your little I guess it's ice cream or coffee inside the coffee mug, whipped cream on top. It says hello, camera, ampersand, umbrella, and clouds. And this says focus on the happy. If dreams don't scare you, they aren't big enough. If your dreams don't scare you, they aren't big enough. Always believe something wonderful is going to happen. So I thought those would be nice, maybe to add to a layout or something. And I did go back and I thought I had got this, but I didn't. The Tada girl, not Tada, but Tada. And it's 219-6168 for $5.99. And that is how she looks. I ended up getting the paper pad because I did have the Firmer and the Puffy and all that other stuff, so I went on and got the paper pad. I wasn't going to, but I did. And this is a 6x8. Sorry about that light. You never know. It's nighttime. Now it's still dark. But that is the paper pad. I haven't seen the 12x12s. And this is 215-6878, and it's called holographic. That's what it says up here. But it's the Hooray paper. And so that's the name, unless it's holographic. But anyway, hopefully that's the right sticker. I also got the Snow and Cocoa 75 pom-poms for $149. 215-6993. And you can see there's white, gray, there's white, pink, gray, green, and then there are these white with the gold on them. So again, that's 75 pom-poms. You can put these on the toothpicks to make some flares. You can put them on tassels, different things like that. I did pick these two up. They've been out for a while. Nothing new. They came out over a year ago or so. 18 months, 2 years ago, and they came back out. And they've been out for a couple of months. And I'm debating if I'm going to keep them. But I think I don't know. But I do have some speech bubbles, but the ones I have are pierced, and these aren't. So I'm still debating if I'm going to keep this. I'm going to look at my other ones and see if I want to keep this or not. But this goes along with the Celebrations collection by Rich Garra. And I have quite a few of that collection from when it came out. So this called Tag That, and it's 215-1706. And then this is the Celebrate die template that makes a card front, 215-1714, which is actually larger than I thought. I thought it looks more like an A2 size. I was thinking this was going to be a Project Life size, but this looks bigger, and my ruler is not on my table. So here it is. Let's see. Pretty sure this is A2. It doesn't say on the envelope. Yeah, so this is, about 5 1/4 the cutting edge by 4. So yeah, so this is definitely for an A2 card. I really wanted it a Project Life size, like a 4x6, 4x5, but I'm gonna see. That's not bad because I do have another one of the other card fronts as well. I think 2 of the other card fronts. And then it just got some of the thickers, 2 sets for $2.19 each. Yeah. And the number is 2122390, and this is called Epiphany. I just like the different colors because I thought they would go with a lot of different collections. Or coordinate with a lot of different colors, and you can mix and match. And then last but not least, I did get this pink paisley. 180 sheet. I like the different colors. So you had the black, the greens, the pinks, the reds, the greens. And the other greens. So basically, these are the prints right here. Mainly for the black and reds. But you can, and these are just more for background papers for scrapbook, and so you can see all the different shades in that one design, and then switch to the next design and have all the different shades. But these are, I get the 180 sheets for extra layering when you're doing a layout, because you know you got 48 sheet pages and you got a 20-page book. That's only like 2 per page, and that's usually not always enough. Sometimes you like to have like 4 or 5 different colors on the page. So this is some good extra paper for layering. You don't get too many. They have a little of the bolder colors like the red and the black. So we always get the pastel or like the wood grains and stuff. So that's why I got this one. But anyway, I think that's it. I may add something to the front of this video or to the end of it if I go to another Tuesday morning tomorrow. And you'll know by the link for this video if I do it though. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.